Want to lose weight, speed up metabolism and feel unstoppable? This morning elixir does it all with just 3 natural ingredients. Health has never been easier. Imagine if I told you that boosting your metabolism, detoxifying your body and improving your heart, brain and gut health could all be achieved with just 3 simple ingredients. No fancy supplements, no complicated recipes. Just a natural, powerful drink that takes minutes to prepare.
I would suggest try sipping that glass of lemon water. The most alkaline forming food is the lemon. I would have a look at when it was drunk, how it was drunk. Sometimes if too much is drunk all at once, there can be the feeling of it coming up.
But cayenne pepper can be used to stop bleeding with a cut. Cayenne pepper can also be used to bring blood to an area. In today's video, we're revealing a health-boosting elixir that will supercharge your body from the inside out. This drink is so effective, it's like giving your metabolism a turbo boost every morning. All you need is lemon, cayenne pepper, and a surprising 3rd ingredient you won't want to miss: cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Together, these ingredients create a powerful synergy that transforms your health. Stick around because I'm also going to share the exact recipe, tips for maximizing the benefits, and a time-saving hack that makes this habit effortless. Ready to kickstart your health journey? Let's dive in. Ready to dive deeper? Type "Yes I am" and type where you're watching from, and I'll be sure to give you a heart of appreciation. The foundation of the drink: lemon, nature's detoxifier. Lemon is the cornerstone of this drink, and it's more than just a flavorful citrus fruit. For centuries, lemons have been celebrated for their medicinal properties, especially when it comes to digestion and detoxification. You might have heard the old saying, "Start your day with a glass of lemon water," and there's a good reason for it. Here's what makes lemon so remarkable. 1, alkalizes the body despite being acidic. When you first taste a lemon, it's undeniably acidic. But here's the surprising twist. Once it enters your body, lemon's minerals have an alkalizing effect on your tissues. This means it helps balance your body's pH, reducing acidity, and creating an environment that's less hospitable to disease. Chronic acidity in the body can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and a higher risk of diseases. By incorporating lemon into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain balance. 2, boost digestion and detoxifies the liver. Your liver works tirelessly to filter toxins, process fats, and cleanse your blood. Lemon is like a personal assistant for your liver. It helps kickstart bile production, which is crucial for digesting fats and flushing out toxins. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning gently awakens your digestive system, encouraging a healthy bowel movement and flushing out waste accumulated overnight. 3, rich in vitamin C for a strong immune system. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, one of the most powerful antioxidants your body needs. Just half a lemon provides about 30% of your daily requirement. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, helps repair tissues, and even enhances collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and glowing. 4, aids weight loss and reduces cravings. Lemon's polyphenols have been shown to reduce fat accumulation and suppress appetite. If you're trying to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy weight, starting your day with lemon water can help you feel more satisfied and reduce unnecessary snacking. Comment "lemon lover" if you believe in the power of lemon for detox and better health. The time-saving lemon hack. Now, if you've ever tried to juice lemons every morning, you know it can get tedious. That's why I'm sharing a life-changing lemon hack to save you time and make this habit sustainable. Here's what you do. Juice several lemons at once, enough for 2 weeks. Pour the juice into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Each cube equals about half a lemon. In the morning, pop a cube into a glass of warm water. It melts quickly and voila, you have fresh lemon water without the daily hassle. Warm water is ideal because it helps speed up digestion and feels more soothing to the stomach. Don't forget, always drink your lemon water with a straw to protect your tooth enamel from the natural acidity. Your teeth will thank you. The game changer, cayenne pepper, fire up your metabolism. Now that your lemon water is ready, let's take it to the next level by adding a dash of cayenne pepper. You might be thinking, wait, cayenne pepper in my drink? Trust me, this little spice is a powerhouse for your health. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, the compound that gives it its signature heat. But beyond the heat, capsaicin is loaded with benefits that can transform your health. One speeds up metabolism and burns fat. Capsaicin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. By raising your internal temperature, cayenne pepper helps you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest. Studies have also shown that consuming capsaicin can reduce appetite and cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. 2. Improve circulation and heart health. Cayenne pepper acts as a natural stimulant for your circulatory system. It dilates blood vessels, improves blood flow, and can even help prevent blood clots. This improved circulation benefits your entire body, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Traditional healers have used cayenne pepper for centuries as a remedy for heart conditions. Modern science backs this up with research showing its positive effects on cardiovascular health. 3. Supports digestion and gut health. Cayenne pepper stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which help your body break down food more efficiently. If you suffer from bloating, sluggish digestion, or irregular bowel movements, a touch of cayenne pepper might be just what you need. Despite its spicy kick, cayenne is surprisingly gentle on the stomach when used in small amounts. It even has antimicrobial properties that help keep harmful bacteria in check. 4. Packed with antioxidants. Cayenne pepper is rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This means it's not only great for your metabolism, but also for overall longevity and disease prevention. Comment "Spice it up" if you're ready to boost your metabolism with cayenne pepper. How much cayenne pepper should you add? When it comes to cayenne pepper, a little goes a long way. Start with just a 1/4 teaspoon in your drink. You might feel a mild burn at the back of your throat, but that's completely normal. It's just your body waking up. If the spice is too strong for you, reduce the amount or drink some plain water afterward. Tip: make sure you're using organic cayenne pepper that's bright red or orange in colour. If it looks brown and dull, it's likely old and less potent. The perfect balance? By combining lemon and cayenne pepper, you're creating a drink that does more than just quench your thirst. It works on multiple levels, detoxifying your liver, boosting your metabolism, energizing your body, supporting your heart and immune system. And we're just getting started. In part 2, we'll introduce the 3rd ingredient, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, and explore how it turns this drink into a complete health tonic. We'll also talk about bonus ingredients like natural electrolytes that can supercharge your hydration, the secret superstar, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is often referred to as liquid gold for a reason. This ancient elixir has been a staple of the Mediterranean diet for centuries and is known for its incredible health benefits Adding just 1 to 2 teaspoons of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil to your morning drink takes it from great to extraordinary.
That's why when you buy olive oil, it's important to buy first cold pressed, extra virgin.
But here's the catch. Not all olive oils are created equal. To get the maximum health benefits, you need to use cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, preferably from a trusted source that bottles it in a dark glass container to protect it from light and oxidation. Here are some benefits of olive oil. One, heart health like no other. In 2022, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology revealed that consuming 1.5 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can reduce the risk of heart disease by 19% and lower cancer risk by 17%. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, healthy fats, and antioxidants like oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, which help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and protect your heart. 2, detoxifies the liver. Olive oil is a natural liver detoxifier. When consumed in the morning, it supports the liver's cleansing process, flushing out toxins that have built up overnight. This makes it an ideal addition to any detox regimen. A healthy liver means better digestion, glowing skin, and improved energy levels. 3, nourishes the brain. Your brain is mostly fat, and it thrives on healthy fats like those found in olive oil. Regular consumption has been linked to improved memory, focus, and cognitive function. Olive oil is even believed to reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 4, supports gut health. Olive oil is rich in polyphenols, which act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This helps improve digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption. A healthy gut means a strong immune system and better overall health. Comment liquid gold if you're ready to fuel your body with the magic of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. How to add olive oil to the drink. You can add olive oil directly to your lemon and cayenne pepper drink. Start with 1 teaspoon and gradually increase it to 1.5 teaspoons if your body tolerates it well. It might seem unusual at first, but it blends surprisingly well with the other ingredients. Alternatively, you can use olive oil in other ways throughout your day. Drizzle it over salads or roasted vegetables. Add it to soups or grain bowls. Dip some sprouted bread into it for a quick snack. If you prefer to skip it in the drink, just make sure you're getting a daily dose elsewhere. Bonus boost, natural electrolytes with pink Himalayan salt. To make this morning tonic even more powerful, consider adding a small amount of natural electrolytes. Unlike table salt, which is highly processed and stripped of nutrients, pink Himalayan salt and Celtic sea salt are full of essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Why add salt to your morning drink? Rehydrates the body. After a night of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. Adding a pinch of salt to your morning drink helps your body rehydrate more effectively by replenishing lost electrolytes. Balances minerals. Electrolytes are crucial for muscle function, nerve signaling, and maintaining fluid balance. When you add natural salt, you're giving your body a gentle mineral boost. Supports adrenal health. If you experience fatigue, lightheadedness, or low blood pressure, you might have adrenal fatigue. A pinch of salt in the morning can help regulate cortisol levels and support adrenal function. How much to add? Start with 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt. If the drink tastes too salty, reduce the amount slightly until you find the perfect balance. Optional sweetener, raw honey. If you're not fasting, you can add a little raw honey to sweeten your drink. honey not only improves the flavour but also offers its own set of health benefits. Antioxidant rich, supports gut health, boosts the immune system. However, if you're practicing intermittent fasting, skip the honey to keep your drink a clean fast. How to customize this drink for your lifestyle. This drink is incredibly versatile. Depending on your health goals and preferences, you can modify it in several ways. Weight loss. Keep it simple with just lemon, cayenne pepper and water. Digestive health. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for extra digestive support. Electrolyte boost. Use salt if you've been sweating a lot or feeling fatigued. Timing matters. If you're intermittent fasting, drink it 30 minutes before your first meal. If you're not fasting, enjoy it first thing in the morning. Why this drink? One's wonders. By combining these three powerful ingredients, lemon, cayenne pepper and olive oil, you're creating a drink that detoxifies your body, boosts metabolism and fat burning, supports heart and brain health, improves digestion and gut health, rehydrates and remineralizes your body. It's the perfect way to start your day and give your body the jump start it needs. Plus, it's simple, affordable and easy to make part of your daily routine. Final tips for success. Consistency is key. Stick to this drink for at least 2 weeks and notice how your body feels. Use high quality ingredients. Organic lemons, fresh cayenne pepper and cold pressed olive oil make all the difference. Listen to your body, adjust the ingredients as needed to fit your tolerance and preferences. Comment, ready for the challenge if you're committed to transforming your health with this powerful drink. This 3-ingredient drink may be simple, but it's a powerhouse for your health. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your metabolism, or improve your heart and brain health, this drink has something for everyone. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you and you'll feel the difference in no time. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel for more powerful health tips and wellness insights.